Hey everyone, this is Lisa from the Rhinestone world, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Rhinestone TrueType fonts in Silhouette Studio. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go over to my text tool and I'm going to type in my workspace. So let's say I want to type out glamorous. So we have that. And now I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to open up my text panel. So we have my text panel here. Now one cool thing to note, in Rhinestone World fonts, all of our fonts start with TRW. So I can go over here, search TRW, and this will start showing me all of my fonts. So let's say I want to do this mega small font, okay? So this is going to go on like a little keychain or a bag strap or something like that. And let me fill it in so you can see it better. Well, we need to ensure that these holes are the right size for our rhinestones. So the difference between rhinestones and vectors is that a vector design you can scale up and scale down and you're totally fine. However, you can't change the size of a rhinestone. You basically need to create a picture using a bunch of tiny little circles. So with this, I want to use SS10 rhinestones, which is our most common size stone that is 3 millimeters. And so I want to find out, hey, what point size do I make this? Well, check this out. I'm going to open up our website, rhinestoneworld.com, and let's go over to support, resources, and then we want to go to documentation, or actually right here, we have Rhinestone TrueType font sizing guide. So check this out. This is every TrueType font we have. We update it as we create more, and it'll show you SS6, 10, 16, and 20. So basically, whatever size rhinestone you're using, this is the point size you need to set your font to. So let's go back over to Silhouette Studio. I'm doing TRW 0 mega small. So let's go back over here to our Rhinestone World page and I can search it. So we'll do TRW 00. Check it out, mega small. So if I want this to be SS10, I'm going to set my font to 77. So let's go back over here. Let's find my point size. So I was really close. Let's do 77, hit enter. So you'll see that this got a little bit bigger. So let's go ahead, I'm going to make a copy. So I'm going to show you another font. So let's say we're all done with this. Let's go over here, convert to path, and now we have this as an object, and so now we can ungroup it, and then we can go ahead and ungroup this letter here, release it. So if I click on this, you can see the dimensions are 0.129 inches. So that's good. Whenever you want to do SS10 stones, you want your circles to be anywhere between 0.129 inches and 0.130. So that font is all set to go. I can set that up and cut it with my silhouette. So let's say I want to do this with a different font. So let's go right here. Let's search our TRW fonts and let's pick another one. So let's say we want it to be, let's go 1200. So we have this 1200. So now look, these little dots are really little, okay? So 1200A. So let's go back to our Rhinestone World page and let's do 1200. You can see TRW 1200A. So it's 242 points. Let's go back over here. Let's set this to 242, hit enter. So now we have this the right size. And I'm going to go ahead and check. So let's right click, make compound path. So now I've converted it from a font to an object, and then right click, release compound path. So now we're going to have all these little circles, and I can click on one of these little circles, 0.130. So super easy. So that is how you use a Rhinestone TrueType font in Silhouette Studio. Pretty simple process, and it's a great way to be able to use rhinestones in your Silhouette software and not have to worry about having to memorize point sizes or have any additional software. So if you have any questions, comment below or email us at info@therhinestoneworld.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to us at therhinestoneworld.com.